Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Last week we have completed 8th unit, right? This week we are going for a revision for unit 5, 6, 7 and 8. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser along with you. Today we will revise the writing and speaking expression skill for 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th unit. Okay, are you ready? Yes, we have to go and revise for this 4 units. From the 5th unit, in our writing and speaking expression skill have a upper and lower case letters, and also we have to draw and label different topics such as places I see around me and our helpers, right? Shall we revise that? Are you ready? Yes. See the board, listen carefully, and also you have to take your notebook. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. See this, my dear children, how we have to join the dots, trace the letter and write that. Okay. Capital letters from this 5th unit. A after B, B after C, C after D, D after E, E after F, F after G. See that, my dear children, listen carefully. G after H, H after I after J, J after K, K after L, L after M, M after N after O after P, P after Q, Q after R after S after T, T after U after V after W after X, right? Listening here? Are you listening, my dear children? Yes. X after Y after Z. So, my dear children, just like you have to join the dots and trace the letter, uppercase letter A to Z. Next, we will see the lowercase letters A to Z. You also write neatly lowercase letters A after B after C after D after E after F after G after H after I after J after K after L after M after N after O after P after Q after R after S after T after U after V after W after X after Y after Z. So, my dear children, this is the lowercase letter, how we have to trace the letters and join that, right? Join the dots and trace the letters, lowercase letters A to Z. So my dear children, you will write three times upper and lower case letters in your notebook. Okay, just you have to revise this. Next, my dear children, you have to open your SR book, page number 16. Polite words. We have to revise that. Greetings. What are that? We use greetings to wish people. Okay. When you meet someone, what you have to say? Hello. Then when you have to leave this place, what you have to say? Goodbye. Then every morning, what you have to say, mommy and daddy? Yes, good morning. Then when you have to go to bed night, what you have to say? Good night. So this like you have to revise this. Okay? Yes. When we have to see the magic words. What are that? We use magic words to polite with people, right? These words help us have better relationship with people. See that? When you want to something from your friend, what do you have to say? Please. What do you have to say? Please. Then when you make a mistake, what do you have to say? Yes, sorry. Next, what is that? Your friend give a ball to you. What is that? Help you. What do you have to say? Thank you. Right? Next, he will say welcome. So these are the magic words. What are that? Please, sorry, thank you, welcome. Do you all are using these words, my dear children? Yes. This is the 5th unit, writing and speaking expression skill revision part. So my dear children, after that in your workbook having draw and label a place that you have see around you, right? This like you have to complete that, right? So you have to revise this. Take your workbook. Okay, you have to revise the writing and speaking expression skill. What are I having from this 5th unit? My favorite place is home. This like, okay, you have to revise this part also. Next, we will see the unit 6. From this unit 6 having we have to practice the upper and lower case letters with correct size. I will give that revision. You also write three times without join the dots. Okay, see that? This is the uppercase letter without join the dots. Just we have to write the correct size. Okay. Uppercase letters A, B, C. C after D. D after E. E after F. F after G. G after H. H after I. I after J. J after K. K after L, L after M, M after N, N after O, O after P, P after Q, Q after R, R after S, S after T, T after U, U after V, V after W, W after X, X after Y, Y after Z. Once again, uppercase letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. My dear children, this like you will write your rough note 3 times. Next we will see the lowercase letters. See that lowercase letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This also you have to write it neatly, my dear children, 3 times. Great, my dear children. From this 6th unit, we have to draw and label writing some sentences also, right? Just you have to open your English notebook, Elgar notebook. writing and speaking expression skill. Okay, just we have to revise that. For the example, I show in your workbook what we have to draw there. This slide you have to complete your workbook, right? Yes. We draw and label our drawings also. What are that? Girl, tree, fruits. After that, we wrote some sentences also from this 6th unit workbook, right? Yes. From the first topic is products we get from trees. I will show that example from this first one. See that? This is me. This is a tree. This is fruit. We get many fruits from trees. We get apple from trees. I like eating red and juicy apples. This is a worksheet unit number 6. Draw and labeled our workbook, right? Do you remember that? Yes, this is the first topic. So my dear children, this slide you have to open your worksheet number Unit 6 worksheets, okay, and also you will open your notebook, what you wrote that, right? Remaining topic, activity you would like to do with the tree and how to save trees. These 2 topics we have completed our workbook, right? Take that and also take your notebook. What you have to written, just you have to revise the 2 topics, okay? Let us move to the Unit 7. Great, my dear children. From this unit number 7, we also again write all the letters from A to Z, upper and lowercase letters. Again, we will see that this is the uppercase letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Let us revise the lowercase letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes. Great, my dear children. From this unit, draw and label the topics. Animals around us, homes of animals. Did you complete that in your writing and speaking expression skill? Draw and label your drawings, right? Now I will show one example for that. We are all animals topic, right? Animals around us. See that? This is the first drawing from the 7th unit. Did you complete this? This is about my draw and labeled drawings, right? See that I wrote some sentences also. I will speak about my drawing. Okay, this is a boy. This is a boy. The boy eats. The boy eats. Next, this is a dog. The dog eats. Right? Once again, this is a boy. The boy eats. This is a dog. The dog eats. This is about my drawing. This slide you have to finish your labeled and drawing, right? Did you complete this? I wrote some sentences also, right? Just let us revise that. Unit number 7. What you have to done? Draw and label yours. Then wrote some sentences also, right? Let us you have to revise that, okay? From this unit, next topic is home of animals, right? Yes, animals around us, home of animals, right? So, see that this is about my drawing. I draw and labeled my drawing, frogs in a pond. Now I will speak about my drawing. This is a frog. Frog live in a pond. Frog has 2 eyes, 2 ears and 1 nose, right? This is about my topic. This also you have to revise your drawing. Okay? Then you have to speak about your drawing and also write neatly, okay? Yes, from your rough note you have to write some sentences about your topics. Just revise, my dear children. Yeah, great, my dear children. Let us move to the Unit 8. From writing and speaking expression skill, we have to revise that. From this unit, we have to draw unlabeled and also writing some sentences on the different topics such as a place I visited last summer, and next one, things I do in school, and also my favorite festival. These three topics we have to draw and label our drawings. Then we wrote some sentences from this related topic. Just you have to open your notebook, Unit 8, okay, writing and speaking expression skill. Now I will revise about my topic. This slide remaining you have to revise in your home, okay? Yes. See this, my dear children. This is a place I visited in the last summer topics drawing. This is Jyoti ma'am. This is I am Jyoti ma'am. I went to Delhi. I saw India Gate. I felt very happy. So this is the sentences about my drawing. What is the topic name? A place I visited last summer, right? Once again, I am Jyoti ma'am. I went to Delhi. I saw India Gate. I felt very happy. This is about my drawing. Next, let us move to the next topic. My dear children, next topic is things I do in school, right? Yes. See that? This is my desk. I write quickly. I run slowly. Then I do not speak fastly. This is about my drawing. What is the topic name? Things I do in my school. What I will do? Just you have to do more. This is about my drawing and some sentences about this topic. This is my desk. I write quickly. I run slowly. I do not speak fastly. Right? This is the things I do in school about that topic. I hope you are all completed this topic. Just you have to revise, my dear children. Okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. Next topic is my favorite festival. What is my favorite festival? Diwali. Now I will speak about my drawing, my favorite festival. This festival is Diwali. We wear new clothes on this day. We give gifts to each other. We have fun with our family, right? So my dear children, from this 8th unit, just you have to try to narrate your story, right? Wrote some sentences, right? Just you have to narrate your story with actions on these topics. What are that from this 8th unit? A place I visited last summer, things I do in school, and also my favorite festival. Did you complete those topics, right? So my dear children, you have to narrate your story, okay, neat and clearly, okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. From this unit 5, 6, 7 and 8, we have to revise the writing and speaking expression skill. Just you have to first of all write the upper and lower case letter. First you will join the dots and trace the letters A to Z, upper and lower case letters 3 times. After that you will without trace the letters A to Z, right? Upper and lower case letters. Once more I will show that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Next, lowercase letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Right? Yes. Great, my dear children. This slide you have to revise the writing and speaking expression skill from this 4 units. And here, open your workbook. What we have to done from this related writing and speaking expression skill. Okay, Today's class over, my dear children. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning. Be safe.